Imagine coming into land on Mars. Months of flying through space leading to a touchdown. And then emerging into the dust of this alien world and taking the first steps. At the moment, it's just wishful thinking. But today in Moscow, two men prepared for a taste of what Mars could be like. They put on real spacesuits. They're obviously cumbersome. It was heavy going as they pretended to be the first humans on the red planet. Even acting as astronauts wasn't easy. A bag for equipment was knocked to the ground. The surface here is a copy of a real part of Mars, and samples were collected as if a proper mission was underway. And it's all happening inside here, this series of chambers where 6 men have now been cooped up for 257 days. Watching events today was a real astronaut.
That's a real challenge. You have to be very careful, and it's a lot of preparation. And I'm sure it's also exciting. I'm sure they're very excited that they're now what they're doing.
So what's the point of this strange experiment? Well, space travel takes ages. Just getting from the Earth to the Moon, a relatively short distance, took the Apollo astronauts 3 days. But that's nothing compared to the time taken for a spacecraft to reach Mars. From Earth, that journey could easily take 8 long months, just one way, which is why this experiment is so valuable. The 6 men from Russia, China, France and Italy are only halfway through this cosmic version of Big Brother. Getting along together is crucial, and even more so if a real mission to Mars is ever to happen.
When you're talking about going to Mars, this is the most ambitious expedition in the history of human expeditions, really. That's what they're talking about. And huge distances, huge risk, and then constant threat to life all the way through. So psychologically and physically, just unimaginably hard.
So what chance of doing this for real? Well, at the moment, there isn't the money. So for a while, this is as close as anyone will get. David Schuckman, BBC News.